Submission is a very popular word going around. And I did a Google search today to find out the different ways that submission is used and, just being submissive altogether. So, one of these words that phrases, what is submission in a relationship? In healthy relationships, partners are not forced into submission. Submission is an act that is expressed mutually and voluntarily. Being submissive helps us to be less self centered and allows us to consider the desires of others. Well, that would be a healthy relationship. What is the word when someone forces you to do something? To obligate is to either force someone to do something or be compelled to do something. To obligate is meaner. It means to force. Okay, to force. Okay, what is it called when someone is forced into submission? Subjugation is the noun, a mass noun. The action of bringing someone or something under domination or control. Now, I surely don't think we've got anything like that going on today, do you? What does forcing into submission mean? The act or fact of accepting or yielding to a superior force or to the will of authority of another person. They were forced into submission. Let's say that again. They were forced into submission. So this was a little Google search. You can do it yourself, and you can look around you today and see if submission is playing a key role in your life, or in the lives of others, or in the lives of this whole global community. Thank you.